Hey guys, it's Matt with Meat Church here at our annual block party. Let's go see what's up.
The way the block party got its start is my buddy Chad Ward that owns Whiskey Bent Barbecue down in Florida. His shop moved to a new location and it was right at the time of his 10-year anniversary. So he did like a re-grand opening / 10-year anniversary party that I attended. And we had planned on doing a 10-year anniversary party for us. Well, we had also moved and we just decided we would split them. So we had a re-grand opening. A few months later, we did a block party last year. And they both were a huge success, but a ton of work to do too, so we decided we would just do one. But for us, really what it's about celebrating our community. The Meat Church congregation, as we call it, we've got amazing customers all over the world. But at those first two events, everybody that I talked to in my meet and greet line, they had flown from all over the country. I was blown away by that. So to bring all these people together that share a love for outdoor cooking and be able to mingle with our vendor partners, try stuff from them that they hadn't had before, get some barbecue from barbecue joint friends of mine, and some unique merch and experiences during the block party. I mean, it was just a ton of fun.
Oh, baby. So all ends up being in the breed. Oh my God, it's beautiful. We got our patches in here. Everybody's passing this baby up. Look at this. There it is. This is awesome. There you go. Dude, that is sick. Dude, well, beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
I'm so thankful to all of our vendor partners that come out. If you've never been to Meat Church Barbecue Supply, we say that my barbecue supply shop is a story of my barbecue journey. There's nothing in that store that I'm just trying to make a nickel on. Everything we sell in that store is something that I use, and they're all friends of mine. So to be able to call my friends and to ask them to come to this party, which takes a lot of their time and effort and resources, they might even shut down their own restaurant in cases, means a lot to us. Exposes them to a lot of our amazing customers, but their support, like we obviously couldn't do that without them. That's why this year we did a big pre-party the night before to kind of celebrate them for all their contributions and everything they're doing. And I'm so busy on block party day, I don't get any time to spend with them to properly thank them. Tried to do that last year and it was just really short and abbreviated. So this year, the night before, we did a really long party at our world headquarters. We boiled crawfish, we had a full bar, margaritas, kids running around playing. So just a way to give back to those guys that poured so much into us.
Longtime YETI ambassador. Super excited that YETI's here at our block party. Free customization of cups. So, look at this. Going down right now. Get all kinds of designs, get your name. Look at all this. Man. Amazing.
I'd say the most impactful thing about the block party is my meet and greet line. We'd put up a backdrop and I would, sit there and meet folks. And I said, if people are going to come here, whether they're from 2 minutes down the road or they're from Washington State, the least I can do is shake their hand, thank them, ask them where they're from. When I look back at the end of that night, we went out and ate pasta, and I just thought about all the people that I got to meet. And it's kind of crazy that you could create a brand out of your garage and people will convince their significant other to have their family hop on a plane and come to Waxahachie, Texas. So super neat for me to meet people. Now we've got people that have come over and over and over. And so, now those guys, and I've met some of their kids and remember them when they come back. It's really special.
This dude fed me a steak bite. I needed no teeth. I could have gummed it. I'm over here in this meet and greet line. Feeds me like a bird feeding its baby, and it was amazing. So Thank you for everything.
That 44 Farms skirt steak, it hits different. So that was a good one today.
Looking forward to cooking with you at Troubadour Festival in a couple weeks.
Absolutely, yeah, it's gonna be badass.
It would really be cool to expand this to other streets and to bring in additional barbecue joints. I know everybody and their brother in barbecue, so to get some other folks to come in would be a lot of fun. Next year's date is set, Saturday, April 25th, 2026, historic downtown Waxahachie. Come see us.
Hey, when he says it was epic, it was epic, y'all. Damn. Hey, 2026.
See you next year.
Big church block party. Don't you miss it.